Spain is highlighting its economic strength and energy independence despite global trade tensions and conflicts in the Middle East. Spanish Economy Minister Carlos Cuerpo says the country's pivot to renewable energy has shielded it from recent price shocks. Spain's reliance on gas for electricity has dropped to just 16% this year, a massive decrease from 75% in 2019. The nation also created 40% of all new jobs in the Eurozone last year. However, challenges still loom. United States President Donald Trump has threatened to sever trade ties with Madrid over foreign policy disagreements, though Spain notes that the European Union handles trade agreements collectively. The United States is pushing to sell more oil and gas to India. This comes as the world's third-largest energy market faces supply disruptions from the Middle East, along with stricter sanctions on Russian and Iranian crude oil. However, replacing these supplies with American energy presents a difficult choice for New Delhi. Experts warn that high freight costs, longer delivery times, and incompatible refinery setups are major hurdles. India is a highly price-sensitive buyer, and fuel makes up a massive portion of its import bill. Analysts say that depending on expensive American energy could widen India's economic deficit and ultimately threaten the nation's broader financial stability. Tech companies are pouring trillions of dollars into artificial intelligence, but investors should not assume these bets will automatically pay off. Jim Zelter, the president of Apollo Global Management, is warning markets about the massive spending cycle currently underway. He estimates that United States data centers alone could require up to $6 trillion over the next 5 years. Zelter cautions that just because companies need capital, it does not mean they are safe investments. He advises lenders to secure strong downside protections for these high-risk ventures. Despite these financial warnings, nearly 80% of corporate leaders still plan to invest heavily in artificial intelligence this year.